Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best PC cases that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. NZXT H7 Flow. Meet the NZXT H7 Flow 2024, a premium mid-tower ATX case built for high airflow and clean PC builds. Perfect for gamers and performance users. Priced at just $69.99, this case offers excellent value with premium airflow design and pre-installed fans, great for budget and high-performance builds. Supports ATX, MicroATX, and Mini-ATX motherboards. Comes with 3 pre-installed 120mm fans for strong airflow. Bottom fan support for direct GPU cooling. Clean cable management system for a tidy build. Spacious interior for large GPUs and cooling setups. Strong metal construction with a sleek white minimalist design. Optimized airflow front and top panels to reduce heat buildup. Pros: excellent airflow performance. Clean and premium NZXT design. Great cable management space. Good value with included fans. Cons: no RGB fans included. Slightly heavy due to metal build. Limited front I/O compared to higher-end cases. Number 4. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. Meet the Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack, a fully modular mid-tower ATX case designed for flexible, high-performance PC builds. At just $63.99, this case delivers premium modular design, strong cooling support, and great expandability at a budget-friendly price. Fully modular flat-pack design for easy customization and transport. Supports the ATX, ATX, MicroATX, and Mini-ATX motherboards. Comes with 1 pre-installed 120mm rear fan. Supports vertical GPU mounting for show builds. Fits dual 280mm radiators for advanced liquid cooling. Strong airflow-focused layout for thermal efficiency. Compact yet flexible internal structure. Tempered glass side panel for a premium display look. Pros: unique modular flat-pack design. Excellent cooling and radiator support. Vertical GPU support for aesthetics. Good value for price. Cons: only 1 pre-installed fan. Assembly can take extra time due to modular design. Not ideal for beginners building their first PC. Number 3. InWin A3-mATX. Introducing the InWin A3-mATX gaming chassis, a compact yet stylish case built for clean, modern gaming setups. Priced at $131.99, it sits in the premium compact case category, offering strong design quality and RGB aesthetics for enthusiasts. Supports Mini-ATX and MicroATX builds for compact systems. Comes with a built-in ARGB 120mm fan for lighting effects and airflow. Premium tempered glass side panel for showcase builds. Supports air and liquid cooling setups. Rear-mounted power supply design for cleaner internal layout. Compact tower design optimized for space-saving builds. Great cable management potential for minimalist setups. Stylish black finish with gaming-focused aesthetics. Pros: compact and premium design. Built-in ARGB fan included. Tempered glass for clean showcase look. Supports both air and liquid cooling. Cons: expensive for a MicroATX case. Limited internal space for upgrades. Not ideal for large GPU-heavy builds. Number 2. Thermaltake View 270 plus TG ARGB Snow. Meet the Thermaltake View 270 plus TG ARGB Snow, a stylish mid-tower ATX case designed for high airflow gaming and showcase builds. At just $69.99, this case delivers premium features like RGB fans, dual tempered glass, and strong cooling support and impressive value for the price. Supports the ATX, ATX, MicroATX, and Mini-ATX motherboards. Comes with 3 pre-installed 120mm ARGB fans. Supports up to 360mm liquid cooling radiator. Stunning dual tempered glass panels, front plus side. Excellent airflow optimized interior layout. Bottom-mounted PSU design for cleaner cable routing. White Snow Edition for a premium aesthetic look. Strong support for both air and water cooling setups. Includes 3-year warranty for reliability. Pros. Very affordable for a dual-glass ARGB case. Comes with 3 ARGB fans included. Great cooling and radiator support. Premium white aesthetic design. Cons. Glass panels can attract fingerprints. Airflow depends heavily on fan setup. Slightly bulky for smaller desks. Number 1. Lian Li A3-mATX. Introducing the Lian Li A3-mATX 26.3L micro form factor chassis, a premium modular gaming case built for compact high-performance PC builds. Priced at $89.99, it offers a premium small form factor design with strong flexibility and high-end cooling support. Supports MicroATX and Mini-ITX motherboards. Ultra-compact 26.3L volume design for small setups. Supports up to 360mm AIO liquid cooling. Flexible modular design for easy customization. Front-mounted flexible power supply installation. Clean alloy steel construction for durability. Minimalist design focused on airflow and efficiency. Ideal for compact gaming and workstation builds. DAN collaboration design for SFF enthusiasts. Pros. Extremely compact but powerful. Supports large 360mm AIO cooling. High-quality Lian Li build finish. Excellent modular flexibility. Cons. No fans included. Cable management can be challenging in tight space. Not beginner-friendly for first-time builders. If you like compact powerhouse builds, check the link in the description for the best price. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more PC case reviews and comparisons.